The Institute for Rehabilitation is a health organization which is engaged in curing and rehabilitation of sick and injured people, scientific research and lecturing. It is a reference center for balneal climatology and a highly specialized center for physical medicine and rehabilitation in Serbia. The institute is also a lecturing base for the Medical University of Belgrade. Over 100 doctors, 12 university professors and 30 researchers, and over 350 physiotherapists, nurses, laboratory and social workers, physiologists, defectologists and others are employed in the institute. The institute has its branches in Belgrade, Mladenovac and Prčanj. The Department for Rehabilitation Celters, situated in Mladenovac, continues the tradition of popular Celta spa, which was an infirmary even at the end of the 19th century. It is planned to celebrate the centennial in 1998. The Celters Institute for Rehabilitation is equipped with the most sophisticated medical equipment. The institute has 500 beds, 250 of which are in the institute itself, and 250 in a B-category hotel. The main illnesses treated here are illnesses and injuries of the locomotor system, rheumatic, defective and inflammatory illnesses of spine and joints, post-rheumatic and post-operative conditions, illnesses or injuries caused by vibrations, chronic illnesses of the respiratory system, chronic bronchitis, bronchial asthma, chronic sinus inflammations and other chronic inflammations of the upper respiratory system, illnesses of heart and blood vessels, illnesses of peripheral nervous system and defects caused by central nervous system and vascular disorders, other illnesses or injuries caused by work. The institute in Belgrade deals with lecturing, scientific research, balneal climatology, highly specialized work, medical rehabilitation and diagnosis. There is a special section for early rehabilitation of patients after heart attacks and after serious operations of heart and blood vessels. It has 80 beds. The Institute for Rehabilitation Vrmac in Prčanj is situated in the most beautiful part of the southern coast of Adriatic Sea, in the Bay of Boka Kotorska, 7 kilometers from the old town of Kotor and 8 kilometers from Tivat Airport. It is long known as a famous natural climatic infirmary. It is also the place with the first ripe cherries in the whole northern hemisphere. The Institute for Rehabilitation offers 500 beds in a B-category hotel and in bungalows with very comfortable rooms. It has its own fenced pebble beach, 1 kilometer long, 2 tennis courts and a court for other sports. Indications for curing and rehabilitation are illnesses of heart and blood vessels, illnesses of respiratory system of children and adults, allergic illnesses, chronic rheumatic and degenerate illnesses of bones and joints, conditions of psychophysical exhaustion, anemia and others. That is the only center for the complex thalassotherapy in Yugoslavia. Knowing that this institute is open throughout the year and it has sports and recreational facilities, one can rightfully say it is the health factory.